Hello guys. Yes, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back because remember that I said that I was gonna trade this pullback here, this little pullback here. Well, I said that on the stream in the morning, so I went to the gym and I post a buy order right here with yes, and I got a week in. On this week I got bought. So now the 3 accounts that I had with my funded futures that were red, now they're green. Now they're very green. So yeah, let's see how I'm looking this possible bull flag, and I want to see how SPY is gonna close today. Basically, I'm gonna be moving my stop loss higher, and I'm gonna sell a few at the top of the bull flag, and then just wanna keep moving my stop loss higher and see where we're going today, where SPY is gonna close. Any of you got in on this pullback? I think I was a little bit lucky because that was a very fast pullback. I don't think I would have been able to buy that if I didn't have a order there already. You wish? Yeah, that was, I guess I was a little bit lucky. But then again, I had a good plan. It was just too quick, but I had a good plan. I trusted my plan. And yeah. So let's see how we're gonna close this. So it's weird because I think this is the first time that I ever put a buy order instead of a alert. But yeah, both SPY and the Q look like they're making a bull flag on the 30-minute time frame, and in the 15 also. I kind of want to see a big push here to today's high, and maybe breaking that high. I already have a sell order here. I'm gonna sell. I have 3 contracts on each. I think I'm gonna sell 2 and then just hold 1 and see how we're gonna move there after retesting that high. Yep. What strategy am I using? No strategy, just support and resistance. Trading is very simple. We overcomplicate it. But trading is very simple. Support, resistance, market structure, and learning how to read the candlesticks. That's it. In fact, I made a video about that, I think everything that you need to trade. Keep it simple, learning the market structure, support and resistance, and candlestick. And I explained everything on that video, so go and watch that video. The video that I just posted on the chat. Yeah. No, I don't do it in Spanish. No. I honestly don't know how to. Obviously, Spanish is my first language, but I don't know how to explain how to trade. Like, it's a little bit tricky. Explaining how to trade in Spanish, like on a stream, because I learned how to trade in English. So, yeah, I would say some vocabulary when it comes to trading. I don't know how to say that in Spanish because you cannot just translate. It's gonna sound weird. I'm just gonna say it's gonna sound weird. But yeah, the basic I can definitely obviously say it in Spanish because Spanish is my mother language, but and I can explain it, but on the stream it's gonna be weird. Like, I have two students that speak only Spanish, and I do teach them in Spanish. It's not Adriana, it's Andrea. How many times are we gonna say that? It's not Adriana, it's Andrea. Why everyone keep calling me Adriana? I don't get it. Crown Strike. Let's see what Crown Strike. Oh yeah, it's near 300. 300 is my PT on Crown Strike. Let me take some profits there. Where's my phone? Oh yeah, 41% up on Crown Strike. Okay, I got sold there 2 contracts. Whoa, I'm gonna move my stop loss higher and just keep holding this one. Beautiful, beautiful flag breakout. That was so perfect. That was so perfect. Now we want to see it holding high of the day, which is here. And that's it. That's it. That's all I want to see now. That was a perfect flag. Perfect, perfect flag. Okay, we have this high here on the queue that it needs to break. It's right at resistance. And this is a new all-time high. We just made a new all-time high on SPY and ES. Pretty much the same thing. New all-time high. That's crazy. How many times we had a new all-time high this year? So we have like 25 minutes till the market close. What I'm gonna do here is just watching how SPY hold this level here, previous all-time high. As long as it keeps holding, is crazy bullish. Crazy bullish. 229, 230 is it's Apple's big resistance. Nvidia is fighting the VWAP and needs to break that. And I really like this meta consolidation. It's not really moving much meta today, but I do like that it keeps holding above 583, 585. It's making like a very solid base there. That's why I'm holding all my contracts for next week's. AMD is not doing anything. It's weak compared to Nvidia, but it's also showing very good. Let me show you guys. Solid hold here, right? So AMD has a big gap here above, and it keeps holding these little 170, 169 level. Keeps holding there. So for me, that's pretty bullish. Same thing as Meta. I have both contracts for next week. Same thing as Meta. Look how Meta keep holding this 582, 584 level. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, we have CPI tomorrow. Up to you guys if you want to hold your position for tomorrow into tomorrow. That's why I sold all my weeklies today. I sold all my Apple and Meta weeklies. Most likely I'm gonna be selling all my CrowdStrike weeklies today too. We'll see. What's Intel doing? Oh, nothing. It's consolidating, but it's still looking very solid. Look how perfect our entry on Intel was. That was so perfect. We got in here. We enter in here. That was a perfect entry. We entered here on this pullback to 22, and then I kept adding every time I saw bounce it out of 22. Look this beauty. This still has so much more room to go. Look at this huge gap. Huge gap here. Big one. That's why I sold all the weeklies yesterday, and I'm holding the rest of my contracts because those are for next year. So giving it a lot of time because Intel is a slow mover and it has a huge gap. So pretty much that one is set and forget. CPI new highs? Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Maybe. I think it's gonna be very difficult for the Q to break this high today. The market is almost over. Yeah, market is almost over, and I think we move a lot today thanks to Apple, and Apple is also right at resistance. Hey Christian. Hello. We finally had a beautiful easy day after having like 2 weeks of very choppy, a lot of BS move. Okay, I'm about to get a stop out here. Let's see. SPY needs to hold here if we want to see a little move here to the upside. We have 19 more minutes until the market close. If we have another move here to this high, I'm gonna be all out. And I'll be here tomorrow on the stream, tomorrow morning. Unless I have no power. The hurricane's coming tonight. So hopefully I have power tomorrow, which I think we're not gonna have any problem in Miami. Miami is not like, in Miami it's just gonna be a lot of rain, and it's gonna be windy, nothing major. Central Florida is where things are getting like difficult. They're gonna get hit hard. Nvidia today, it's been a mess. I think it's just a consolidation day for Nvidia. But that was on the daily, it's looking pretty good. Intraday, it's a little bit messy, but this is what I'm looking on Nvidia. I kind of like Nvidia for the rest of the week, but we have CPI tomorrow, right? So who knows what's gonna happen. But so far, on the daily, looks like a very, very clean break of this previous resistance. Today retested and held, so that's very clean break and retest here. Maybe we get a little bit of consolidation here for maybe tomorrow, or we just bounce hard here tomorrow. But my main target for Nvidia is 136. So far it looks pretty good for a swing trade. Yeah, I'm holding Nvidia for next week's. I'm not sure. What is ES contract expiration? It's futures. I'm trading December's. Okay, I'm all out. All out, guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade. It was. I had a perfect entry. And look how ugly this reaction is. That was an ugly reaction. So now we know what's the level to watch tomorrow, right? That high. That's the level to watch tomorrow. So green on these three accounts, PA accounts, funded accounts on my funded futures. Green on these funded accounts on Tradeify, and green on these funded accounts on Apex. I had a very good day today. Super happy with my trades with futures and options. We got Meta, we got Apple. I locked profits on CrowdStrike. I'm all out on the Apple weeklies. All out on the Meta weeklies also. Holding for next week. I'm still holding AMD also for next week. And that's it, guys. That's it. I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. See ya. Bye.